tracksuits and red wine, and movies for two. We'll turn off our phones and we'll take off our shoes. We'll play Nintendo and I'll always lose, 'cause you watch the TV whilst I'm watching you. Though we might not be dancing by the light of the moon, there's nothing like doing nothing with you. Dumb conversation, we lose track of time. Have I told you lately I'm grateful you're mine? We'll watch The Notebook for the 17th time. I'll say it's stupid, but you'll catch me crying. Though we're not making out on a boat in the rain, or in a house I've painted blue, there's nothing like doing nothing with you. So shut all the windows and lock all the doors. We're not looking for no one, we don't need nothing more. You're by my lip and I want you more, until we end up in a heap in the floor. You could be dancing on tabletops, wearing high heels, drinking until the world spins like a wheel. But tonight my apartment had so much appeal. But there's nothing like doing nothing with you. No, there's nothing like doing nothing with you.